The Nigerian government has announced plans for massive cash transfer program targeting 20 million of the country's poorest citizens. Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of the Economy, Wale Edun, revealed this initiative during the 30th Nigerian Economic Summit in Abuja. The program aims to reach 60% of Nigeria's poorest population, starting with 4 million households and expanding to 15 million. This ambitious plan comes after a substantial increase in government revenue. President Bola Tinubu reported that in the first half of 2024, revenue surged to over 9.1 trillion naira, more than doubling the 4.06 trillion generated in the same period last year. Edu explained that this revenue boost is strategically allocated to various social intervention programs. He stated, the social investment program is spearheaded by direct transfers to reach 60% of the poorest in the population. The government focus extends beyond cash transfers. Edu highlighted a comprehensive economic reform agenda to reduce inflation, create jobs, and stimulate growth in critical sectors such as agriculture, manufacturing, oil, and housing. In the agricultural sector, grants and loans worth up to 75 billion naira support 1 million small and micro enterprises. An additional 75 billion naira is being disbursed to larger companies in tranches of 1 billion each at 9% annual interest rate. Stay informed on NaijaNews TV for further updates.